Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's SlayByCiara. So today I'm coming to you guys with a hair review slash install on this lovely ponytail that I have going on in my head right now. So if you wanted to learn all about this and see how I installed it, then continue to watch this video. Hey guys, so don't mind me, I'm looking a little rough, but yeah, so let's get into this hair. So this is the packaging that it comes in. It's from HerGivenHair. So it has a cute little drawstring bag with their logo on it, and inside the bag, this is how the ponytail is wrapped. So it comes in like a little plastic bag, and it comes with an extra clip, and then it has the like fishnet around the ponytail to protect it. And now I'm kind of just showing you guys exactly what it looks like. It has two combs, one up top, one at the bottom, and the drawstring. So this is also something that they included in the package, which is their satin head wrap. So this is really cool because like it covers your entire head and it's lined with satin. So that's really nice, especially for wearing your hair out or whatever, like it'll cover everything. So also what was included in the package was tips on how to take care of the hair, which is really nice. It has like a whole little guide, products that they recommend to use on their hair. Now this, what's coming up next, is really what got me here. I'm going to talk about it actually in the video, but this is a whole texture booklet that they include with the packaging, so I thought this was super amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about it now. So all I have to say is that this is absolutely amazing, that this texture sample booklet, like this is so dope. A lot of companies don't do that, and I feel like a lot should. So you can literally try out all of their hair textures to see how it like matches to your natural hair texture or how you can do with it. Like this is amazing. So they are super dope for including this. Like look at that. It has what textures do they have? They have the kinky curly, they have the coily hair, they have the curly hair, and they have the kinky blown out hair. And the one that I'm going to be using is curly. Just wanted to make sure. So this is the one that I will be trying out today. It's a curly drawstring ponytail, like 18 inches, I believe. Yeah, that is so dope. Like I'm really amazed by this. Like I'm super amazed, and it like has products that you could use for it. Like, you know what? This is pretty dope. Like this is so dope actually. HerGivenHair has really, they stepping up the bar with the natural hair textures and the packaging, most definitely. Okay, so now I'm going to co-wash the hair. So first I'm just starting off by rinsing it with cold water just to make sure that the entire ponytail is saturated with water, including the width of the hair too. So now I'm going in with shampoo. So I ended up using the Lotta Body shampoo because that's what I had on hand to co-wash the hair. So I'm just saturating the entire hair with it. I only did one shampoo because that's all that I feel like it really needed, because it did end up lathering up well. So that's why I only did one. And then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse it out now. So I'm gonna rinse it out with cold water again, and you just wanna make sure you get all of the product out. So as you see, like it did lather up well. So I'm just rinsing it to make sure everything gets all out of the hair. So it did take me a little minute. I think I put too much shampoo in. I always go heavy-handed with everything I use, so that's my fault. But yeah, that's pretty much it in reference to that. So once I do have everything all rinsed out, I'm then gonna go ahead and with my conditioner from Lotta Body as well, and we're gonna go ahead and condition the hair. So make sure you get the entire hair condition. That's very important. So if you need to put more on, whatever you need to do, just make sure it's conditioned. And then once I had everything conditioned, I go in with my brush and I detangle the hair. So once I detangled the hair, it had some shedding. It's not like it was major shedding, which is nice for curly hair. So I'm going to show you what did come out of the brush. and this is what did come out of the brush. So I don't think that's really a lot. It's pretty good for curly hair, natural hair, to be honest. So then you want to go ahead and rinse out all of the conditioner that was in your hair, and yeah. Once I have everything all washed out, I'm just going to go in with some foaming mousse onto the curls just to define them some more. And then I'm also going to go in with some leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to make sure that it's all covered and saturated as well as possible. And while I'm doing this, I am finger detangling it because that's what it says to do in their little pamphlet in regards to taking care of the hair. So I do go in with a little bit of oil as well, just to make sure that there's moisture into the hair. And that's pretty much it. So now I'm going to 2 strands twist the ponytail, and I do 2 twists of it. 3 twists, I'm sorry. So once I have everything all twisted, I'm gonna clip it onto the hanger now, and then I'm gonna hang it up, and I'm going to let it air dry while I get my hair into a ponytail, because that takes a while. So I did do the back part already, just because I don't know, it was looking crazy on camera, so don't mind me. So now I'm doing a middle part for the front. So what I'm going to be using to lay down my hair is Shine and Jam. I didn't want to use gel because I didn't want my hair to be hard, because I plan on doing another style with this hair, so that's why I used the jam. So I kind of have to split my hair up into sections to make sure that, since my hair is thick, to make sure that every part of it gets the jam on it, because if you only put it up top, you're gonna have to really work your way through the bottom. So that's why I split it into sections, so it's easier for me to make sure that everything is covered with the jam, so everything will lay nice and flat. So that's one side all done, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So remember, split your hair in sections if you need to, if you have thicker hair. If you have thinner hair, then you don't necessarily have to do this. It'll be easier to kind of comb everything through. But if you do have thick hair like myself, then make sure you work in sections so you can get a nice flat and sleek ponytail. Okay, so now I'm just taking my hair and making it into one big braid, and then once I have it all braided, I'm just gonna wrap it into like a bun in the back, so it'll be easier for the ponytail that I'm going to be attaching. And so I'm just gonna secure it with a rubber band, and then I'm just gonna go in with a really big scarf to lay down everything so that it dries and looks nice and smooth and whatnot. So after I have that all on and secure, I'm now going to attach the ponytail. So to attach the ponytail, what you want to do is you want to clip it on top of the bun and then clip it underneath the bun. I know you can't see, but I hope you can understand what I'm saying. And then you want to pull the drawstring as tight as it can go. Just make sure that it's laying properly around your bun. And once you do that, you want to pull the little latch and secure it. And then now you need to go ahead and tuck the latch away. That's very important because you don't want that showing. And then what I like to do is just go in with some hair from the bottom of the ponytail and wrap it around to kind of hide it and kind of give you like that little natural look, so you're not seeing any part of the ponytail showing and whatnot. And then you want to pin it out the way, and then you'll have your finished look. Alright you guys, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you guys found it helpful. This is a super cute go-to style that anyone can rock or wear, but I really do love the ponytail. Like, I've had this on all day now, like it's nighttime now, and it feels amazing. Like, it's easy to run my hands through, like no shedding, no tangling, like it just feels great. It matches my natural texture, I feel like, really well, so I'm glad I did choose the curly pattern. I feel like it just flows well with everything. But yeah, overall I really like the hair from HerGivenHair. This ponytail is life, and again, like the whole packaging, everything like that they send you and how everything was set up was just literally amazing. So kudos to them for like overall presentation about the company. I really do like that, because it just shows that they put like a lot of time and efforts in their overall packaging and their design and how they want their brand represented. So that's definitely very good. So yeah, I feel like this ponytail, I should probably stop touching my hair. But it's a bad habit for me. I think you guys should know that by now. But yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it on the ponytail. If you guys would like to get one yourself, I will definitely have a link listed in the description for this video. And thanks again for watching, you guys, and I hope everyone enjoys the rest of their week, and I'll catch you in my next video.